The 2026 Brabus Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a mobile luxury mansion on wheels that redefines the very idea of road travel. Built on a powerful Mercedes-Benz base and infused with Brabus's legendary performance and design expertise, this motorhome represents the highest echelon of comfort, engineering, and cutting-edge technology for those who believe travel should be just as lavish as the destination. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome is a dream come true. At first glance, it's clear this is no ordinary motorhome. Brabus has transformed the exterior into a statement of bold, aerodynamic sophistication. The body features aggressive lines and an unmistakable Brabus grille, giving it an imposing presence. Custom wheels, high-performance tires, and carbon fiber accents signal that this machine is just as much about performance as it is about luxury. Even the lighting system is upgraded with smart LEDs that adapt to surroundings and improve visibility, adding to both safety and aesthetics. Under the hood lies a powerhouse that sets this vehicle apart from traditional RVs. The 2026 Brabus is equipped with a tuned 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine capable of delivering over 700 horsepower. This isn't just for show. Despite its size, the motorhome accelerates and handles with an ease that defies expectations. Brabus has reworked the suspension system for a smoother, more dynamic ride, ensuring that whether cruising down a highway or navigating winding mountain roads, the experience remains refined and stable. Stepping inside, the interior is a masterclass in luxury design and innovation. The living area resembles a five-star suite with fine leather furnishings, real wood accents, ambient lighting, and the kind of attention to detail typically reserved for private jets or luxury yachts. The floor plan is intelligently designed to maximize space, comfort, and utility. Seating is plush, fully adjustable, and includes massage and heating functions. Integrated smart technology allows full control over lighting, climate, security, and entertainment from a central tablet or even a smartphone. The kitchen is fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including an induction cooktop, a full refrigerator, a convection oven, and even a built-in espresso machine. Surfaces are made from premium stone or ceramic composites, combining durability with elegance. Every drawer and cabinet is soft-close, and the layout provides ample space for food prep and storage, making it ideal for long journeys or remote stays. Sleeping quarters don't disappoint either. The master suite features a king-size bed with a memory foam mattress, luxury linens, and blackout shades. There's also a spacious wardrobe with LED lighting, a makeup area, and additional overhead storage. The motorhome includes a separate guest sleeping area, and depending on the configuration, convertible spaces allow for extra accommodations without compromising the aesthetic or comfort. Bathrooms in the Brabus Motorhome reflect the same level of sophistication. The main bathroom features a rain shower with spa functions, designer fixtures, heated floors, and a tankless water heater for continuous hot water. The use of natural materials like stone and wood gives it a luxurious spa-like ambience. A separate half bath ensures convenience for guests, and high-end water purification systems mean you're never without fresh, clean water. Connectivity is another strength. The motorhome is equipped with satellite internet, 5G compatibility, and an advanced media system with surround sound. Large old screens are integrated into both the lounge and bedroom areas, and a hidden retractable screen with a projector can turn the motorhome into a full home theater. Safety and security haven't been overlooked. The Brabus Motorhome features 360-degree cameras, motion sensors, automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and even bullet-resistant glass in certain configurations. It's a fortress as much as it is a home. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. Combining performance, luxury, and smart design, it allows you to explore the world without ever leaving behind the comfort of home. Whether you're heading to a secluded forest, a mountain retreat, or a coastal paradise, this motorhome ensures the journey is just as memorable as the destination.